First of all, read the question. A two-wire DC distributor AB 600 meter. First of all, make that is AB, A and B. What about length? That is 600 meter. Clear? Long in the loaded as under distributed distance from A to that is C 150 meter. What about load current? Load current is 100 ampere. Clear? Now from A to D, see this point, suppose that is D. 300 means what about distance between CD? That is 150 meter. Okay, means that is 200 meter, 200 ampere. 350, that is E. 350 means what about distance between D and E? 50 meter. That is 250 ampere. Now after that 450 means 100 meter. This one is 100 meter. And what about current? That is 300. Okay. Now next one, what about distance between that is F and B? FB. Total distance that is 600. This distance that is 450 means 600 minus 450, that is 150 meter. Okay, clear? Now another way, our next target, what about resistance in all section? So the feeding point A is the maintained at 440 volt. VA is equal to given 440 volt and VB 430 volt. Clear? If each conductor has resistance, each conductor resistance is 0.01 per. Each conductor has resistance, if corresponding to question, if each conductor has resistance of 0.01 ohm per 100 meter, means this question corresponding to two-wire DC system given for one conductor. So what about two conductor wire? This is the two conductor wire. That's why resistance is written as 2 into 0.01 ohm per 100 meter, means divide by 100 per meter. Clear? So that is 2 into 10 to power minus 4 ohm per meter. That is clear. So what about resistance corresponding to section AC? R of AC is 2 into 10 to power 4 into 50, 150. 2 into 10 to power minus 4 into 150, that is 0.03 ohm. Okay, that is 0.03 ohm. Okay, now in this section both distance are same, so this one is also CD and this one is also FB, so 0.03 ohm and this one is also 0.03 ohm. Okay, our next target, resistance corresponding to DE section, that is DE this equal to, what about DE this equal to 2 into 10 to power minus 4 into 50, that is 0.01 ohm, that is 0.01 ohm. Okay, now EF is 2 into 10 to power minus 4 into 100, that is 0.02 ohm, that is 0.02 ohm. Clear? Now our next target, the current supply from A to B. Our motto, determine current, both that is IA and here IB. Okay, both section voltage are given, it means supply from both side. Okay, it means supply from both side. Now first of all, I know that in this section IA. Okay, now what about current in this section? IA minus 100, that is IA minus 100. Okay, here that is IA minus 300 ampere, here IA minus 550 ampere. Okay, now here IA minus 850 ampere. Clear? Now VA minus VB, this is equal to voltage drop corresponding to this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So IA into R of AC plus IA minus 100 into R of CD plus IA into 300 into R of DE plus IA into 550 into R of EF and IA minus 850 into R of FB. Clear? That is 440 minus 430. This is equal to IA into 0.03 ohm, and this one is IA minus 100 into 0.03 plus IA minus 300 into DE, that is 0.01, and this one is IA minus 550 into 0.02 plus IA minus 850 into 0.03 ohm. Okay, that is 10. This is equal to IA 0.03, 0.03, 0.1, and that is 0.12. Okay, 3, that is 3, that is 11 minus 850 into 0.03, that is 25.5. Okay, so what about IA? IA is 52.5 divided by 0.12. Okay, that is 52.5 divided by 0.12, that is 437.5 ampere. Okay, so from A to B is 437.5 ampere. Okay, and from B to A, first of all written 437.5 ampere, and here that is 337.5 ampere, and here 137.5 ampere. Now here that is 550 minus 437.5, that is direction of current is here 112.5 ampere, and 850 minus 437.5, that is 412.5 ampere. Clear? The direction of current from A to B like this one, and B to A is 412.5 ampere. Clear? Now our next target is the power dissipated in the distributor is. Our next target is power dissipation. How to determine? Power dissipated in the distributor, that is P, this is equal to current into resistance, that is IA square into R of AC plus CD R ICD square into R of CD plus IDE square R of DE plus IEF square into R of EF and R of FB square into R of FB. Clear? Now IA, that is 437.5 to the whole square into 0.03 plus CD, that is 337.5 to the whole square into 0.03. DE 137.5 to the whole square into 0.01. Okay, now that is 112.5 to the whole square into 0.02 plus 412.5 to the whole square into 0.03. Okay, this one is 14.705 near about kilowatt. This is the final answer. Make it clear. IA into RA clear. Current into resistance clear. Current into resistance, current into resistance, and current into resistance. So final answer is this one. With the help of calcium you can also determine it. Okay, it's very simple. First of all, determine all section resistance. Okay, and after that, and current also in all section. After that, voltage drop VA minus VB, this is equal to voltage drop plus this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, because of current, direction of current here. That's why sum of voltage drop this is equal to VA minus VB. With the help of this formula you can apply, you can also determine IA. After IA you can also determine all section current, IA minus 100 something, whatever. Okay, after that, power dissipation. Power dissipation is the resistance and current in all section. Resistance into current section, current square, resistance into current in this section. Okay, similarly, and also find out with the help of calcium. Okay, make it, first of all make it. Now corresponding to question 8, DC distributor AB is feed from both ends. First of all make this A and that is B. Both end feed from both ends. At the feeding point A, voltage is VA and VB. VA 235 volt and VB is 236 volt. Okay, are given. The total length of the distributor is 200 meter. That is L is equal to 200 meter. Okay, distance between AB. And loads are tap of the under 20 ampere. First one 20 ampere from A 50 meter. This is 50 meter. Okay, 40 ampere from A. What was 25 means distance between, that is C and D. CD is 25 meter. Again 25 ampere. What about distance? That is 100 meter, means this is 25 meter, that is E. Again F point, F is 30 ampere. And what about distance from A? 150 means that is 50 meter from E to F. Okay, and this one is also written as 50 meter. Okay, now again the resistance per kilometer of one conductor is 0.4. One conductor. So resistance for two wire system, this is corresponding to one conductor only, but our DC transmission line corresponding to two wire DC transmission line. Okay, 2 wire DC system. Okay, that's why multiply by 2 into 0.02, sorry, 0.04 into resistance per kilometer means into 10 to power minus 3 ohm per meter. Okay, clear? Now that is 0.8 into 10 to power minus 3 ohm per meter, that is R. So what about resistance in section AC? Written here, resistance in section AC R of AC is 50 into 0.8 into 10 to power minus 3. Okay, 0.8 into 50, 40, that is 0.04, 001 ohm. R of AC, R of EF and R of FD, both are 3 are same. So written here, R of AC, this will equal to R of EF and this will equal to R of FB. Because of distance are same, that's why. Okay. Now once again our motor net CD and DE. Resistance in section CD R DE. Distance are same. DE, that is 25 into 0.8 into 10 to power minus 3. It is written as 0.02 ohm. Clear? So first of all, resistance in all section, that is 0.04, 0.02, 0.02 ohm and 0.04 ohm, that is 0.04 ohm. Clear? Resistance in all section. Now next target is what about current? That is 2 wire system corresponding to, that is IA minus 20, IA minus 40, sorry 60, one mistake, 115 ampere. Okay, now our motor determine minimum voltage. I know that where is the maximum current? Here. So our motor determine VD. I know that, I have already say maximum current denote its behavior as means this current corresponding to voltage is minimum voltage. Clear? But how can determine? If determine IA, then you can also determine here this voltage. Okay. So how to determine IA? I know that VA minus VB, written here, VA minus VB, with the help of VA minus VB, this voltage, this voltage, this voltage, this voltage, this voltage drop, sum of these 5 voltage drop is IA into R of AC, I of CD into R of CD, I of DE into R of DE and EF into R of EF and I of FB into R of FB. Clear? Now 235 minus 236, this is equal to IA into 0.04 CD, IA minus 20 into R of CD, R of CD is 0.02. Okay. Now IA minus 60 into R of 02, IA minus 85, that is 0.04 plus IA minus 115 into 0.04. Okay. Now IA into 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 0.16, 4, 6, 8, 12 plus 4, 16, clear, 0.06. Now 20, 60, 80 into 0.4, 1.6, okay, and 85 plus, now 85 plus 115 into 0.04, that is 8, and that is minus 1, clear. Once again multiply here, that is 80 into 0.02, that is clear. Now next one, what about IA? IA is 7 point, that is 0.16, that is now 8 plus 1.6 minus 1, that is 8.6, that is 8.6 divided by 0.16 divided by 0.16, that is 53.75 ampere, that is 53.75 ampere, okay. Now what about this current? That is 33.75 ampere, okay, that is 6.25 ampere, okay. Now here 53.75 minus 85, that is 25 ampere, and now here 115 minus 53.75, that is 61.75 ampere, clear, sorry 25, that is 25 ampere, okay. Now our next target is, what is the minimum voltage, clear, this current and this current. Now next target is minimum voltage. Minimum voltage is VD, so VA minus VD is equal to, written as IA into R of AC plus IA minus I20 into R of CD. So what about VD? VD is written as VA minus, VA means 235 minus IA is 53.75 into 0.04 plus, sorry, that is 33.75 into 0.02. So 53.75 into 0.04 plus 33.75 into 0.02, 235, that is 232.175 volt, that is VD. This is the minimum voltage, okay. Minimum voltage is, minimum voltage, that is 232.175 volt, okay. 75 meter from A. This is the final answer.